Hello everyone, and thanks for tuning into the Financial Investor channel. My name is Brent, and today we're going to be covering dividends for the month of November. So November just finished up. It's not completely finished. I'm releasing this video on the 30th, so tomorrow is officially the end. November's over and done with. But this video, I wanted to kind of cover my dividends in the month of November. In September, I put out a video that I broke my record of $155 in dividend payments. November, I broke that record of $155. So let's see. We'll go into the stocks that made it happen. So it's actually not this. This whole week has been incredible. Tuesday, I jumped up over 1%. Wednesday, I jumped up 0.87%. This whole month in November has been great. You can see as far as percentage-wise, I'm up 7.06%. It's nothing in comparison to capital appreciation. I've been investing in the stock market since back in 2015 with stocks such as Amazon, Visa, and a few others. It was very nice to see those capital gains jump up so much in a day, but then they would fall right back down. And, I moved up quite a bit with Amazon, but this is like a whole nother feeling. Just the feeling of getting those dividend payments every single month is a very nice, it doesn't have to be very much. I just know that it's happening. I'm able to reinvest that money back into the stock market, purchase more shares, increase my overall income from my dividend payments, which is my overall goal. I would love to get paid dividends to cover all of my monthly expenses. If I could get enough dividends to do that, I would have no problem moving, overseas or some other area other than where I currently have to be. So let's go ahead and cover the dividend payments for the month of November. So I beat out my $155 previous record. I am currently sitting at $210.79. You can see right there at the bottom, $210.79 made in dividends. Now, I started off the month with AT&T, Verizon, over $90 there in dividends. I took that $90 and I believe I bought the New York Community Bank Corp with that money. So I was able to buy 12 shares. I may have had some additional funds in there, or I was paid out some dividends that I still had on my account. But I bought in at New York Community Port Corp around. I know there was a couple at $11.98 and some in the $12 range. It's up in the $13 range, so I'm actually up in that position. I believe like 7%. So New York, where'd you go? Yeah, I'm up like 8% in the stock. I'm not invested very much as far as shares worth go, but I saw this stock. It had a low price to book value. It had good free cash flow. It had good balance sheet, and I invested what I had available into the stock market because money on hand, it's not earning anything from just kind of sitting in my account. I could sell it off and cash out on those specific stocks. It's sitting inside my Roth IRA, so I could cash it out. I don't have to worry about having to pay capital taxes on the capital appreciation or on the dividends because it's sitting inside my tax sheltered account. So I used that $90 to purchase those shares. And, AbbVie paid me out $13.44. That's a long-term buy and hold. Colgate, $20.80. EPR, $15.98. Paychex, $33.50. Reality Income, $14.41. Then the stock that I invested, my original money that I received from dividends, paid me back $2.04. It's also appreciated 8%, so that's gave me some money there back. I then took the dividends I received from some of this other one, reinvested it into some stocks such as AT&T to increase it. I was able to average down on those positions. I invested, I believe, in AT&T, CenturyLink, and a few others. I'll be covering that all in my monthly review. And then I also bought another stock here, Tiptree. I'm sold out of that position now because I bought in for the dividend inside my Roth IRA, knowing that I don't have to worry about paying capital appreciation. I took a look at it prior to investing in it, knowing that it would go up. So it did go up by like 5 or 8% again. Made, I only had 1 or 2 shares of it, so I only made like 70 or $1.50 on the actual stock buying and selling. Then I made an additional 3 cents off the dividend payment. It's all money. I don't have to worry about paying any sort of capital gains on or worrying about the dividend getting taxed because it's inside my tax sheltered account, the Roth IRA, which I always, you know, Ryan, he's the independent investor. He put me onto the Roth IRA. I think it was a great start and future. I'm going to be putting my money mainly into the Roth IRA, dumping it in there at the beginning of January, and then I may not even worry about doing monthly increments. I will just do the full amount on the 1st of January, invest it. That way it's able to earn capital appreciation and dividends for the year of 2018. So that is my plan right now going forward. So you're going to definitely see my monthly income jump quite a bit. I make $200 in November going forward. So that's 2, 5, 8, 11 paying months is over $200. I have my 3, 6, 9, 12 paying months over $200, and I'm working on my 1, 4, 7, 10 months. My January, March, July, and October paying months, I need that to hit over $200. That way I can collect $200 every single month to reinvest and to average down or buy stocks that I feel are at a great buy. And I could make over $2,400 just straight off dividends, not including any sort of capital appreciation, which everybody loves capital appreciation, but I also love getting that dividend payment in my account, which I'm able to reinvest and buy more shares, which means I get paid more. So that is it for this video. Hopefully you guys that are out there who are not looking at dividend stocks, this is it's a very fun way of investing. I don't see a huge amount of capital appreciation where I jump up 8% in a single day, but at the same time, I don't fall down 4% in a single day either. And today, stock market, it doesn't show the actual, if I jump back over here, stock market today wasn't so hot on the rest of the market. The Dow Jones went up 0.44%, the NASDAQ went up actually went down 1.27, and the S&P 500 moved down 0.04% in comparison to my own portfolio that moved up 0.87. So I think it's nice to invest in specific stocks that you've chosen yourself, that you believe in for the long term, that have history of increasing their dividends, history of earning capital appreciation, and a history of paying out their dividends to their shareholders, because you're actually receiving something for your investment. It's not just speculation. You're actually getting money for investing. So that is it for this video. Hopefully you have found it fun and entertaining. And if you are brand new to my channel, I do talk about the stock market, financial investments, dividend stocks. I'm going to be putting out educational videos every Monday on some sort of topic. If you guys have any suggestions, always leave it in the comments below. I take all those suggestions, put them into my OneNote, which I then kind of sort, and if I can make a video on it, I will do it. So that is it for this video, and thank you for watching, and have a great day.